वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स। सो बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है दोस्तों, ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट मानूंगा मैं से, बिकॉज यहाँ पे एक कंटेम्प्ट पिटीशन कॉपी ऑफ एफिडेविट फाइल करा गया है। सो बड़ी important step that is being taken by the union, so we will see that exactly here. एंड प्लीज़ मेक श्योर करना इसको यहाँ पे शेयर जरूर कर देना, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग विग हैज़ बीन डन बाय द यूनियन। सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट द काउंटर एफिडेविट। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं मिस्टर सी एन प्रसाद जी, रिस्पेक्टेड सीनियर पेंशनर, उनकी तरफ से क्या इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है। सो वेरिफिकेशन में आप देख सकते हैं डेपोनेंट मिस्टर सी एन प्रसाद, son of late Shri C.R. Narayana ji. The deponent that the facts stated in the above paragraph of my affidavits are true to my knowledge and belief, and nothing material has been concealed there from verified at Bangalore City on this the 23rd of February 2024. So let's check out from the starting. So some bit यहाँ पे lengthy है, so I will conclude very quickly. So in the Honorable Supreme Court of India Civil Original Jurisdiction in the matter of petitioner versus additional affidavit filed by Mr. C.N. Prasad, son of late Shri Shigar Narayana Rao Ji, State Bank of Mysore pensioner commune, do hereby solemnly uh, affirms and declared as under that I am the General Secretary uh, versus State Bank of Mysore pensioner commune, and as such I am fully conversant with the fact and circumstances of the case, and I am competent to swear and sign this affidavit, and I am also authorized to swear and sign this affidavit. I state that in terms of order dated passed by this honorable court in the aforesaid petition, the deponent is filing this additional affidavit in pointing out specific instances with detail and particular and the number cases where this affidavit and failure to comply with the judgment and order passed by this honorable court dated 13th of February 2018 in the disposed of appeal. I state that in terms of judgment and order of this honorable court, the members of petitioners are entitled to following benefits, that is commutation of basic pension based on average of last 10 months average pay in terms of regulation 2s 35 and 38 of bank employees pension regulations 1995 to all those who retired during the period from 1st November 97 to 30th April 2005. Next is the computation of basic pension in terms of Regulation 29, which covers notional addition of service to the maximum extent of 5 years subjected to conditions stipulated in Regulation 29. Third is computation of dearness relief in terms of Regulation 37 of Bank Employees Pension Regulations 1995. Payment of commutation on different amount of basic pension in terms of Regulation 41 and 56. Read with Rule 6 and 10 of Central Civil 1981. So, recognizing and engaging with petitioner associations in all meetings, settlements by all respondents, the payment of following pensionary benefits available in Reserve Bank of India to member of petitioner associations, calculation of pension by including the service from date of initial appointment on temporary basis before regularization itself. So payment of pension at 50% of pay after re-entering service of 20 years instead of 33 years, and payment of proportionate pension after serving 10 years in the case of an employee retiring in accordance with the provisions of service regulations or settlement after completing a qualifying service of not less than 33 years. The amount of basic pension shall be calculated at 50% of average emoluments, percentage of average emoluments. So payment of pension duly reckoning higher of last 10 months average pay or last pay drawn instead of last 10 months average pay. So यहाँ पे payment of pension duly reckoning higher of last 10 months average pay or last pay drawn instead of instead of last 10 months average pay. So counting of periods spent on leave during service for which leave salary is payable and all extraordinary leave granted on medical certificate shall count as qualifying service unless otherwise decided. Instead of extraordinary leave on loss of pay shall not count as qualifying service except when the sanctioning authority has directed that such leave not exceeding 12 months during the entire service may count as service for all purposes including pension. So interest on total amount due and payable at 9% as on the date of payment as directed by this honorable court, and cost of rupees 10,000 as imposed by the Honorable High Court. I state that the writ petition 6097 by 22,002 that is filed by the petitioner and other before the Honorable High Court of Delhi praying for, so क्या क्या praise है यहाँ पे, issue a writ of certiorari quashing clause 6 of the joint. So यहाँ पे certiorari kind of writ issue करी गई है. Note dated 14th of December 1999 wide which definition of pay for the purpose of pension was amended. So this amendment has civil consequences on the rights of petitioners and has been passed at the back of petitioner. So this definition of pay is totally unreasonable and artificial. So clause 6 I bid is contrary to the pension scheme 1993 as well as regulation 35(2) and 2D of employees pension regulations 1995. So respondents are estoppel on the principle of promissory estoppel from enforcing and or implementing this joint note dated 14th December 1999 by the petitioners. So friends यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. So this is the final writ that final counter affidavit that is being filed by Mr. C.N. Prasad ji. So friends, you can see I state that consequent to receipt of notice sent by petitioner association, some of the contemporary banks have paid commutation amounts incorrectly by recovering commutation amount for a period of 15 years from the date of retirement. So instead of from the date of payment, I state that due to erroneous methods of calculations, amount received is a small fraction of commutation amount, and I state that United Bank of India and IOB have initiated recovery process out of pension. So instead of paying arrears, I state that in reply to query under RTI, Canara Bank, one of the contemporary bank, has stated that I commuted portion of pension will not be deducted, और वो deducted नहीं होगी, will not be deducted from monthly pension till the date proceedings the date on which commutated value of pension is paid. So therefore I state that in interest of justice the instant additional affidavit may be taken on record and may consider the aforesaid petitioner and it is as its prayer as prayed by the petitioners. So this is the counter affidavit that is being filed and the copy of the affidavit which is being done by Mr. C.N. Prasad ji. So kindly share this important update and subscribe to the channel.